Hi everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate how to follow Save the Redwoods League on Instagram and how to engage with our content. To go to Instagram on your desktop, you can go to Google, search Instagram, and click on the first option. This will take you to the desktop version of Instagram. To go to Instagram on your mobile device, you will need to make sure you have the app downloaded. To do this, go to the App Store, click the magnifying glass in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, search for Instagram, and click Download. My screen says Update because I already have the app, but the download button should be where it says Update. Once it has downloaded, click the app to get started. To follow Save the Redwoods League on Instagram, click the magnifying glass icon located at the bottom left of your screen. It should be located between the home and video icons. Search our account name, Save the Redwoods, and click on the first option on the list. Then, click the blue follow button at the top of our page. You will now receive our content on your feed. To like one of our posts, click the heart icon located at the bottom left of one of our photos. You can also like a post by double-clicking on the image. To comment, hit the chat bubble icon next to the like button. A text field should come up on your screen. Type what you would like to say and click post to post your comment underneath our photo. To share a post, click the paper plane icon next to the comment button. A list of contacts will appear. You can click a contact and hit send to share the post. If the contact you would like to share the post with did not pop up on that list, just search their account name in the search function located at the top of the pop-up menu. You can also choose to share the post to your story. This will make it so all of your followers can see the post. Now you're well on your way to engaging with Save the Redwoods League's Instagram content. Thanks for watching.